I'm Russell from RH Wood Floors. I'm here today to talk to you about shimming. What is shimming? Why do we shim? Where do we shim? Fundamentally, shimming is putting a piece of wood, a V-shaped piece of wood, into a wood floor that has gaps in it. So any of the homes built in Ireland in the 16th, 17th, 18th, early 19th century were all done with red deal. Red deal was installed, very fresh, very tight, but over the years it has simply shrunk. It shrinks due to drying out. The more you put on your rads, the more it shrinks and so on. So you have floors with gapping in them. And of course, when you have a gap in a floor, particularly on a ground floor on joists, you have a lot of breeze coming in and then straight up. So the ground floor can often be freezing. No matter what rug you put down, it won't keep it back. But these are very cool floors. I mean, really cool floors. So they're 200-300 years old, full of, old rusty nail holes, full of little bits of woodworm in them, different stains throughout, different streaks. They're here before we were, they'll be here after we are. Very, very cool floor, but very drafty and uncomfortable. So simply what we do is we machine down boards. We're all the time trying to find old boards. We machine them down to V-shaped wedges and we glue the wedges in. Glue them, tap them down, and then the next day we cut them level, then we sand the floor, seal the floor, stain it if required. So you're still keeping the old floor that was put in when your house was built, all in character with the old red bricks, the Georgians, Edwardians. It's very, very cool. But you don't have the draft, which is great, because some of the drafts in winter, it just blows straight in from the street, under your floor, through your joists and straight up. So it's a modern way of keeping the floor. Again, you must do it with reclaimed timber. Glue it in, sand it, seal it, stain it. Modern living with an old floor. Thank you for watching RH Wood Floors.